Friends, today I am going to solve type 3 questions from exercise 4C. Type 1 and 2 have been solved in previous class, and today I am going to solve type 3 questions. There are 2,354 students in a school. If each student pays a fee of rupees 450 per month, how much money is collected by the school in a month? एक विद्यालय में 2354 छात्र हैं और प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी प्रति माह 450 रुपये फी जमा करता है. हाउ मच मनी इज़ कलेक्टेड बाय द स्कूल इन अ मंथ? एक महीना में विद्यालय के द्वारा कितना फ़ी, कितने रुपए जमा किए जाते हैं? ईच स्टूडेंट फीस. एक्सरसाइज 4C, एक्सरसाइज 4C टाइप 3. Each student pays rupees per month 450 rupees, and total number of students in a school is equal to 2,354. Then total money collected by the school. So the total money collected by the school in a month is equal to rupees 450 into 2,354 is equal to multiplying 2,354 by 45. पच्चीस 27 7 जून 15 17 10 20 जून 12 जून 14 6 is equal to rupees 10,59,300. Hence, the total money collected by the school in a month type 3 questions, 7 number, 10,59,300 rupees. Here each student pays 450 rupees per month. Each student pays 450 rupees per month, and the total number of students in a school are 2,354. So the total money collected by the school in a month is equal to 450 multiplied by 2,354 is equal to 10,59,300 rupees. Question number 8. Ashok ki 9 number question. A box contains 3,245 pencils. How many pencils are there in 1,230 boxes? Here 3,245 पेंसिल, एक बक्सा में 3,245 पेंसिल है, तो 1,230 बक्से में कितने पेंसिल हैं? यू आर आस्क्ड टू हाउ मेनी पेंसिल्स आर देयर इन 1,230 बॉक्सेस. Here number of pencils in a box. Number of pencils in a box. Answer 9. Number of pencils. Number of pencils. Number of pencils in a box is equal to, given 3,245. 3,245. A box contains 3,245 pencils, and the number of boxes. Number of boxes is equal to number of boxes is equal to 1,230. 1,230. 1230 बक्से में कितने पेंसिल आएंगे? यू आर आस्क्ड टू number of pencils in 1,230. So number of pencils in 1,230 boxes is equal to, we have to divide एक बक्से में 3,245 पेंसिल्स हैं, and the number of boxes is equal to 1,230 boxes. So number of pencils is equal to 3,245 multiplied by 1,230. After multiplying 3,245 1 2 3 5 15 4 12 13 15 2 9 6 7 3 3 9 5 15 3 12 13 2 9 6 7 3 9 5 2 10 2 8 1 9 2 2 4 2 3 6 5 4 2 3 0 5 3 9 7 16 5 21 1 2 9 11 4 15 4 19 2 8 9 399 135 399 135 pencils. So number of pencils in 1,230 boxes is equal to, because one box contains One box contains 3,245 pencils, and the number of boxes is equal to 1,230. You are asked number of pencils in 1,230 boxes. So we multiply 3,245 by 1,230. Hence, the number of pencils in 1,230 boxes are no. Now 10 number question. 10 number questions. Similarly, you can solve. The cost of a bicycle is 3,595 rupees. Find the cost of 1865. एक साइकिल की कीमत 3,595 रुपये है, तो 1860 साइकिलें कितने रुपये में आएंगी? कॉस्ट ऑफ वन साइकिल, कॉस्ट ऑफ वन bicycle is equal to 3,000. Cost of one bicycle is equal to 3,595. 3,595 rupees. 595 rupees. And number of bicycles, cost of one number of bicycles is equal to number of bicycles is equal to 1,860. Number of bicycles 1,860. Hence, total cost is equal to one bicycle costs 3,595 rupees. Therefore 1,860 bicycles cost 3,000. Hence, total cost is equal to rupees 3,598 multiplied by 1,860. After multiplying 3,598 multiplied by 186. 24 and 1,895,3. Adding 8 8 8 12 और फिर 6 8 14 8 22 के 2 2 1 3 7 10 9 19 2 3 8 11 5 16 3 2 5 1 6 66 92 66 66 86 28 7 3598 3598 3595 30 30 54 3 57 के साथ 5 One bicycle is given 3,595 rupees, and number of bicycles is equal to 1,860. You are asked total cost. Total cost of 1,860 bicycles is equal to, you will multiply 3,595 by 1,860. Hence, the total cost of 1,860 bicycles is equal to 66,86,700 rupees. And similarly, I have solved 3 questions from type 3, 7, 9, 10. Now, only two questions are left. So I hope that you can solve. You can try to solve the rest questions, and the next period I will start division. Thank you.